Hello everyone, this is Paola with Soul Reading Crafts and I am back with part 2 of the Grogu baby booties. For this part I will be teaching you how to make the eyes and ears. I went ahead and I did one of each so you can get an idea of the pieces we will be making. For this part you will need a size E hook, scissors, and your trusty yarn needle. We are going to begin with the Frosty Green yarn. We will be making 4 ears. We're going to begin by chaining up 2. In the second chain from the hook, you will single crochet 2. We're going to chain up 1, turn your work. In the first one, you're going to single crochet once, and in the next one, you're going to do a single crochet increase. Chain up 1 and turn. 1 single crochet in each of the next 3. You're going to chain up 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in the first and in the second, and a single crochet increase in the last. You're going to chain up 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet into each of the next 4. Chain up 1, turn your work again, another row of single crochets all the way through. Slip stitch and pull your yarn. Leave about 6 inches of yarn, long enough that you're going to be able to sew these onto your booties. Taking your yarn needle, take on that end and hide it nice and neat. When you're doing this, sometimes you tend to pull down on that tip of your ear, so you want to make sure you just kind of go back to that tip and pull it out just to give it the nice defined point. Go ahead and snip it off. Okay, for the ears now, you want to take the bottom corners and fold them in towards the middle. And that way it just gives you more of a, I guess, a Grogu ear shape. So just whip stitch around a couple times just to hold it down. And you should have something like that. So now the way where you will position your ear, you're gonna guide yourself with your 7th row, which is the last row of the beige. As you can see, there's 2 half double crochet decrease right there. We're gonna count back 5 half doubles before that, or after I should say, and follow that stitch up to the green section, and that's where you will sew your ear on both sides. So there's a 2, and then count back 5, guide yourself up, and then sew around those bars. After you've gone in a couple of times, you just want to feed your yarn in through the inside and hide it and secure your ear pretty good. Snip off that end and do the same for the other side. Again, guiding yourself with that center half double crochet decrease. Count back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and follow that up. All right, now we have both of our ears on, and look at that. How cute does our booty look already? So now let's move forward with the eyes. Remember to make 4 of these using your black yarn. We are going to be working in a magic circle. For those of you who don't know how to begin a magic circle, super easy. Position your yarn like you're going to make a foundation chain. Hold that loop though. Pull through and make 1 chain. And now single crochet 5 into that center. Okay, once you have your 5, just pull on that end. That's going to close up your circle. And now slip stitch into your very first single crochet. And make a slip knot. Make sure to leave about 6 inches long, 6 inches of yarn, enough that you're going to be able to secure your eye down. Okay, again, guiding yourself with those 2 center half double crochet decrease we made. We're going to position our eye right on the side of each of them, above in the green section. Okay, so just go in through the front, put your needle, and then back in through the back, and just go in back and forth all the way around. Okay, once you think your eye is secure, go ahead and secure it from the back, from the inside. Just kind of go in and out under your yarn, hiding it well. Alrighty guys, we have come to an end. We are finished with our Grogu baby booties. How cute are these? I love these. These are my favorite to make. They're so cute. So cute. Remember, these are 0 to 3 months. Thank you guys for tuning in, checking out my channel. Please like and subscribe if you thought my video was any help to you. I have so many ideas for you coming up, so please stay tuned and hope to see you again. Thank you so much.